Workflow at a standstill because of the Adobe APE Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. As we look at the manual steps for Adobe APE Engine, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is the Adobe Asset Provisioning Engine. It is a background component that manages the retrieval and configuration of digital assets and plugins for Adobe Creative applications on PC. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The Adobe APE Engine DLL is bundled directly with Adobe Creative Cloud rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Adobe Creative Cloud is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Adobe APE Engine file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Keep in mind that the Adobe APE Engine DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for the Adobe APE Engine library references. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Adobe APE Engine and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.